Hi, this is Gary Rogers. It seems like just about everybody today is using YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Zoom, Skype, and other platforms to do video conferencing. Before the coronavirus hit, Zoom had 10 million users. After the lockdown, they had over 200 million. That's unheard of. The entire world has come to recognize the tremendous power of video conferencing. If you're not using video conferencing now, you better start thinking about using it, or you're simply going to be left in the dust, no matter what kind of work you do. Unfortunately, most people are making many fatal mistakes as soon as they turn on their webcam. Most of my corporate life has been spent in the television production motion picture industry, producing TV commercials, infomercials, and corporate videos for many of the largest companies in the world. I spent the last 6 years teaching people just like you how to look good on camera. This is all done via video conferencing in the convenience of your own home or your office. We combine public speaking skills and video conferencing and make you a master at it. And most importantly, we make your learning experience fun and exciting. Here's a fun little video clip showing one of the many exercises included in the course.
I'm going to answer you, but they're going to be short answers. And you're going to have to follow that up with another question. Lickety-split, no pauses.
Okay.
Just who, and it's got to start with who, what, when, why, where, and how.
Gotcha.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay, who was the most impressive person you ever met?
You.
What was the most
I'm
impressive
sorry,
thing you ever
failed.
did?
You failed.
What again? Well, how did this happen?
You said, and that's...
I said,
That's a filler, because you didn't know what to follow it up with.
I did. I was going to say...
We're going to give you another chance.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
What was the hardest thing you ever had to overcome?
Oh, gosh, I don't know.
When did you overcome
No, pause.
it? No, what do you mean a pause? There's no pause.
Okay, Steve, it's your turn whenever you're ready.
We have a lot of fun in our classes, and to prove it to you, I'm offering a 1-hour live masterclass with me via webcam, totally free of charge. There's absolutely no obligation on your part whatsoever. I'll teach you skills that will help you become a master presenter and make you look and sound like a pro using Zoom, Skype, YouTube, Facebook Live, and many other platforms. In my production career, I've had the opportunity to work with many Hollywood stars, including Academy Award-winning actor Charlton Heston. If I can direct Moses, I'm not going to have any problem at all directing you. This is truly an opportunity of a lifetime. If you're interested, please go down below this video screen, click the link in the area that says Show More, and register. Thanks for watching. I look forward to working with you.